Hi first grade friends, time for some Unit 1 practice. Let's warm up with some sounds. A apple A. E egg E. I itch I. O octopus Ah. U up C H chin ch. T H thumb S H ship sh. Let's go through some sounds together. And the object here is for you to say them before I do. Okay. E, B, sh, D, A, G, I, ch, A, qu. Now we're going to go from top to bottom. Again, try and say the sounds before I do. Sh, I, D, ch, A, B, G, qu. You can always come back to this page and practice the sounds, getting quicker and quicker each time. We're going to do some word chaining. We're going to start with this word. This word says, yes, shot. We're going to change this letter to form a new word. So instead of shot, now my word says, yes, shut. Instead of shut, now we have, yes, shun. Instead of shun, now we have, yes, shin. Instead of shin, now we have, yes, ship. Instead of ship, now we have, yes, shop. Instead of shop, now the word is, yes, chop. Instead of chop, I'm going to slide this letter over, and I'm going to add another letter, so we're going to blend. So instead of chop, my word is, yes, chomp. Instead of chomp, my word is, yes, champ. Instead of champ, my word is, slide that P back over, the word is chap. Let's take a look at two of our phrases. If you want to pause the video now would be a good time so that you can practice reading the phrases on your own before we read them together. Okay, let's look at the first phrase. First word, yes, chop. Next word, yes, it. Next word, yes, up. Let's read all the words together. Ready? Chop it up. Take a look at the next phrase. First word, A. Next word, yes, cup. Next word. And the last word says, yes, punch. Let's read all the words together. Ready? A cup of punch. Awesome. Now we're going to spell some words. So the first word that we're going to spell is lunch. Say lunch. Tap lunch. Lunch. There are 4 sounds in the word lunch. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Lunch. And that CH, that digraph, gets 1 box because there's 2 letters, but they make 1 sound. Spell lunch. L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. The next word we're going to spell is rush. Say rush. Tap rush. Rush. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Sh. And just like CH, SH is a digraph as well. 2 letters that make 1 sound. So SH will share a box. Spell rush. R-U-S-H. Rush. Say shop. Tap shop. Shop. There are 3 sounds in the word shop. Let's write the letters as we say the sounds. Sh. SH, that digraph. Shop. Spell shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. The next word we're going to spell is wish. Say wish. Tap wish. Wish. Let's write the letters as we say those 3 sounds in wish. Ish. And even though there are 4 letters, there are only 3 sounds because of our digraph. The 2 letters that make 1 sound. Spell wish. W-I-S-H. The last word we're going to spell on this page is cash. Say cash. Tap cash. Ash. There are 3 sounds in cash. Let's write those sounds as we say those sounds. Ash. Spell cash. C-A-S-H. Cash. Now let's look at the list that we've created. We're going to read the words all the way down, and then we're going to read them back up. First word, yes, lunch. Next word, yes, rush. Next word, yes, shop. Word, yes, wish. Word, yes, cash. Now we're going back up. Word, 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 word. Awesome job reading. We have 2 phrases to practice writing now. The first phrase that we're going to practice writing is chop up the fish. How many words are in our phrase? Chop up the fish. We have 4 words in our phrase. If you need to take the time now to pause the video so that you can practice writing the phrase chop up the fish, you can do that now, and then we'll go over our phrase together. First word, chop. Sounds in chop. Ch, ah, and our finger space. We don't need an uppercase letter because it's not a complete sentence, it's just a phrase. Chop sounds in up, up, finger space. How do we spell the? T-H-E. Chop up the fish. Sounds in fish. Fish. Let's read our phrase together. Ready? Chop up the fish. Let's look at our next phrase. It says a bunch of kids. How many words are in our phrase? A bunch of kids. We have 4 words in our phrase. If you need time to stop the video now, go ahead and do that so that you can practice writing the phrase on your own, and then we'll go over it together. A bunch of kids. Finger space. Sounds in bunch. Bunch. Finger space. How do we spell of? O-F. Of. Finger space. Kids. Oh, kids. Oh, I hear a suffix S at the end of the word kids. What's the base word of kids? Yes, kid. Sounds in kid. K-id. And we used a K for the K sound because I was the vowel. Kid, kids. Let's read our phrase together. Ready? A bunch of kids. Good work today. We'll see you next time, friends.